In this video, we're going to look at the superlative degree. So what is the superlative degree? Well, the superlative degree compares more than two things to show which has the least or greatest degree of equality. So if we take the quality slow, that's just an adjective, then the superlative degree is slowest. It tells us who is the slowest. Or if we take the adverb slowly, then the superlative of slowly is most slowly. Let's look at some simple examples. Lee is hungry. That's just an adjective, hungry. Lee is the hungriest of all. It shows us that Lee has that quality to the greatest degree. Let's look at an adverb. Lee played dangerously. Lee played least dangerously. That's the superlative. It shows that he did it to the least degree. Here's a real example. Last week I stated that this woman was the ugliest woman I'd ever seen. I have since been visited by her sister and now wish to withdraw that statement. So here we have the adjective ugly in the superlative degree. Ugliest. Here's another example. Palermo is the most beautifully situated town in the world. It dreams away its life in the Conca d'Oro, the exquisite valley that lies between two seas. So this is saying that Palermo is the most beautifully. So it's situated best of all. Let's have a quick look at how to form the superlative degree. This page is about forming the superlative degree of adjectives. So when your adjective has one syllable, you add est. So strong would become strongest. When it has one syllable ending in a vowel and a consonant, like thin, then you double the consonant and add est. More than one syllable, then you add least or most. More than one syllable ending y, then remove that y and add east. So silly becomes silliest. And there are some irregular ones like bad and good. And there are no rules for these. You have to know them. So worst and best. Next, let's look at forming the superlative degree of adverbs. Remember, this whole thing applies to adjectives or adverbs. So with one syllable, you add est, so fast becomes fastest. More than one syllable, you add least or most. So carefully becomes least carefully or most carefully. And then you have some irregular ones. Again, you just have to know these. So, the superlative degree. Why should you care about the superlative degree? Well, double superlatives are serious grammar mistakes. So if you apply two of these rules, then you've created a double superlative. So you are the most cleverest in the class. Now mostly when people make this mistake, it's a slip of the tongue. It's mostly done when people are speaking. But if you make one of these mistakes in writing, then it's a serious grammar mistake. So you just apply the rules that we looked at once. So you are the cleverest in the class. The other point is that you should use the superlative when comparing more than two things. So of the 6 candidates, she is the more suitable candidate. Now, 6 candidates is more than 2, so you have to use the superlative. This is an example of the comparative, and the comparative is when you compare two things. So we need the superlative. So here it is. So here's the correct example. Of the 6 candidates, more than 2, she is the most suitable candidate. Some words, unique is a great example, already express the degree to the greatest amount. So you can't be the most unique, or you can't be the most dead, or you can't be the most instantaneous. These are all words that already express the word to the greatest degree. Now, that's quite a debatable point, but just be aware that there is a list of words that people don't like to see in the comparative form or the superlative form, and there's a list of those on our website. Here's a quick summary. The superlative degree compares more than two things to show which has the least or greatest quality. So, for the quality slow, we have slowest, and for the quality slowly, we have most slowly. They are the superlative forms. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of our other videos on grammarmonster.com, and we're also on Twitter and Facebook.